Programming in Python. Python has two basic programming modes, script mode and interactive mode. Working in interactive mode. Interactive mode is a command line shell which gives immediate result for each command. In interactive mode, we type one command at a time. Python executes the given command and gives the output. Follow these steps to start Python and work in interactive mode. Step 1. Click on Start button.
Step 2. Scroll down the list of programs and click on Python 3.12 folder. Step 3. Click on IDL Python 3.12 64-bit.
The main idle window appears. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It is a code editor which helps you to write and execute Python programs in the editor itself. Components of Python window. There are two components of Python idle window. Menu bar. The menu bar of Python idle window is similar to the menu bar of other programs. It has various menus such as File, Edit, Shell, Debug, Options, Window and Help. Prompt. You will see a blinking cursor after the symbol in the window. This is known as the prompt. The prompt allows the user to enter commands directly into Python and get an output instantly by pressing the Enter key. Type the commands at the prompt and you will immediately get the results. Simply type 3 plus 3 and press the Enter key. The result 6 appears on the screen. Try more values and see what happens. Working in script mode. The interactive mode does not save the commands entered by the user in the form of a program. The script mode saves the commands entered by the user in the form of a program. To understand the working of script mode, we have divided the process into 4 parts. Let us discuss these. Creating a new file. Follow these steps to create a new file. Step 1. Open the Python idle window. Step 2. Click on the File menu. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click on the New File option. A new editor window with a blank file will appear on the screen. Writing a program. Type the program code in Python window. Saving Python program. Follow these steps to save a Python program. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Click on the Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 3. Select the desired location to save the file. Step 4. Enter the name of the file in the File Name box. Step 5. Click on Save button. The file will be saved by the given name at the selected location. Running a Python program. Follow these steps to run a Python program. Step 1. Click on Run in the menu bar. Step 2. Click on Run Module option. The program will execute and the output will be shown in the shell window.